So, your mechanic has reported the diesel particulate filter in your vehicle needs replacing and has presented a number of options with various costs. You probably have a few questions you'd like answered before making your choice, especially since these options range dramatically in price. Yes, the DPF is a filter, but it's very different from your engine's oil or air filter. DPFs do their job by using a thermochemical process. They're sealed units, uniquely designed and integrated with vehicle electrical and emission systems, and are a very specific component of your car. However, just like an oil or fuel filter, they have a given service life, and at some point they need replacing. This may be due to an engine fault that has resulted in DPF damage. The vehicle may not have had the opportunity to perform regular self-cleaning or regeneration, or the DPF has finally reached the end of its service life. Whatever the reason, the professionals at Ryco Filters want to help guide you through the replacement process to help make the correct decision for your vehicle, the environment and your wallet. If you would like any further information, consult the Ryco DPF website or contact our customer care team today.